You think herbivores are quiet. Think again. First, the cycaderid lets out a high-pitched scream that sounds almost human. Then the hyrax, tiny but shockingly loud, like it's performing for an invisible audience. Next, the fallow deer, making deep, belching groans during mating season. The camel follows, with loud, bubbling gurgles, deep groans, and strange roaring sounds that feel completely unnatural. Then the boar goat, bleating in a way that almost sounds like human yelling. And finally, the water deer fangs and a sharp bark that echoes in the quiet. Herbivores, but not as peaceful as you'd think.